Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's start with our legs straight out in front of us as we slowly make our way into a forward fold. Reaching for your legs, your ankles, or your toes. Relax your upper body, relax your legs. Slowly make your way back up, bringing your left leg into a half butterfly. And come back into your forward fold. Make your way back up as you gently press down on your left thigh. You may feel a little pop here that is completely normal. Bring your left knee in so that it's pointing up to the ceiling, and now you step your left foot over your right leg, grabbing onto this right knee as you twist, looking over your left shoulder. Come back to center, straightening that left leg, bringing your right leg into your half butterfly, and coming into your forward fold. Slowly come back up as you gently press down on your right thigh. And now you step that right foot over that left leg, grabbing onto that left knee as you look over your right shoulder, twisting. Come back to center for a full butterfly, bringing the soles of your feet together. Grab onto your ankles as you start to bounce your legs up and down. And now use your elbows to press down on both of your thighs. Come back up and straighten both legs in front of you. Coming into your forward fold. Let's rise back up, coming into a cross-legged position. Forward fold, relax your head, your neck, your shoulders. And you slowly come back up, bringing your hands to heart center. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.